Hey everyone, happy holidays. I'm just going to throw out a quick video. It's not going to be anything related to demos or things I've learned, but actually, it's just one thing that I've learned. Last week, I've kind of already known about this, but just want to go with you, like the real stuff that I learned through work. So, I basically got tasked to create a duplicate, well, sort of a duplicate version of Django model objects, except the duplicates have modified entries on some of the fields. So I'm just going to showcase that a little bit. So basically the task is I have a profile model with a user and a view count, right? So right now I currently have let's say my user ID 1 has a view count of, I guess, 0. So the task here is to create a profile with the same user, ID 1, but with count of, let's say, 5, arbitrarily. So in the end, I'm going to have 2 profiles of the same user, but with different view counts. That's basically like the gist of the assignment here. So let's figure out how to do that. I'm going to show you by showing you the code. So import user and import profile. And for each user, I'm going to first fetch the profile. You can do a Django reverse model relations with profile underscore set. And if you want all of them, you can render them into a list by using all. I'm just going to do first and just get that one profile object. And then how to duplicate it is to first set the primary key to none and then save that. And if I save it with a none, it'll create another object with an updated primary key, whichever one next is available. So if I have 2 objects in total, then I will create a PK of 3. And then in between that, I will add any other fields that I want. So the view count originally by default is 0 because it says default equals 0. I'm going to add something like 50 or something like that. It doesn't matter what it is. I'm just letting you know that it's been modified. So to see this in action, I'm just going to do python manage.py shell. And then I'm going to just copy paste the user and the profile and basically just follow this. So instead of doing a for loop, I'm just going to keep it simple, say user equals user.objects.first. So the first user is going to be me, Ryan. User.profile set.all. So right now I have one profile object that is related to me. So I'm going to grab that by saying profile equals this first, and then put that profile.pk into none. And then actually, what I should have done is, here, let me just redo that real quick to show you. Do this. And then profile equals, I'll just do a regular query call. So profile.objects.filter user equals user.objects.first. And then I'll do the first. Does that work? Oh, dot first. So profile, I get the profile.pk, which is 3. So right now I'm going to now duplicate this object by saying profile.pk equals none. And then I'll do something like profile.view count equals 100. Let's just say. Now I'm going to save this. And the PK should be 4 because that was the last one that was in there. And if I do profile.view count, that'll be 100. And now if I want to access the profile.objects.get PK equals 3, I still have that one. And that one's going to be, it should be the same, 0. The user should be the same, Ryan. So that's how you duplicate it. Short and simple. Hopefully you may not need to have the use case for this, but I just want to share it with everyone. So hope you guys enjoyed. Here's a quick video for you guys. Happy holidays again. See you guys soon.